Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix screenshots not working in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for Registry Editor. After that, run it as administrator and then click on yes. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to go into this file path. So the first thing that we're going to open is HKey current user and then click on software and then look for Microsoft and then look for Windows. So just scroll down right here and then look for Windows. So click on that and then click on current version and then look for Explorer and then look for user shell, which is right here. And then in this part, we're going to right click on it and then click on new and then click on string value. After that, open this and then copy this name. So copy it and then we're going to paste it right here. So after that, click on enter. And then after that, and then double click on it. And then for the value data, this is what we are going to put. So copy this and then paste it right here and then click on OK. Once you do that, what we're going to do next is to just restart our PC by going here and then click the restart button. Once you restart your PC, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.